Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your side hustle with Grubhub detailed guide step by to enhance your side hustle with Grubhub. Start by researching your local market. Identify the areas with the highest demand for food delivery services. Download the Grubhub app and create an account if you haven't already. Familiarize yourself with the app's layout and features. Consider your vehicle's efficiency and choose optimal delivery times. Morning and lunchtime generally see high order volumes. Utilize peak pay incentives by delivering during busy hours. Watch for promotions that Grubhub offers to drivers for increased earnings. Establish a delivery zone that maximizes your earning potential. Take advantage of Grubhub's customer rating system to improve deliveries. Maintain excellent service to keep a high rating. Communicate promptly with customers if there are any delays. Optimize your routes using navigation apps to save time. Keep your vehicle clean and presentable for a more professional image. Stay organized with your earnings to track your finances easily. Consider working with multiple food delivery apps to increase orders. Adapt your schedule to coincide with busy times across different platforms. Join online forums or groups for Grubhub drivers for support and tips. Continuously learn from your experiences to refine your strategy. Evaluate your earnings weekly to determine peak performance moments. Set specific goals for your side hustle and track your progress. Stay motivated by celebrating small milestones along the way. Reinvest a portion of your earnings into resources or tools that enhance your hustle. Prioritize building customer relationships to foster repeat orders. Stay informed about local events that may increase demand for deliveries. Experiment with different delivery strategies to find what works best for you. Keep testing and adjusting your approach to achieve the best results. With dedication and smart strategies, your Grubhub side hustle can become lucrative. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.